Oh. Hey guys, how are you doing? This is Kaushik and welcome back to the channel. So finally the time has come for us to leave Prague and we are heading towards Budapest. This was a small room for the 4 days. It's quite cute and comfy. So we were staying in Safe Stay Prague. You must have seen the logo when I was doing the second day vlog. So it's a very good place to stay, cheap and best. You can get it on Hostel World, so it's good. And yeah, so now we are heading to the railway station. We'll check out, head to the railway station, and then we have to catch the Eurocity till Budapest. So it's going to take us around 6.5 hours. See you once we board the cab. Welcome to Budapest. Now let's go towards our hostel. We have finally reached Budapest. So this is the hotel or hostel that you can call. So we have to wait for 13 minutes more because the check-in starts at 2. So unfortunately we have to wait here. All our luggage and all the food stuffs are here. So yeah, we are right now waiting here until we get our room and check in. After that we plan to go a little bit outside, not too much here because it's drizzling outside, not especially raining. But yeah, let's see how it goes. So we just left. It's raining here in Budapest and we are going to see Basilica and few other locations which you'll see in the video. Let's go. Even we are going to that Ferris too. This is Prague city center and it's raining. I'm in front of the St. Stephen's Basilica. You can see it in behind. Yeah, it's humongous. It's beautiful. We plan on coming here again because we didn't expect it to be so good. But yeah, it's like very big. Like it's amazing. So we'll try it tomorrow. If we get some time, we'll come over here again. But yeah, this place looks magical. And the Christmas market here is definitely a must visit if you are here during this season. So yeah, definitely try to check it out. And yeah, the next plan is to go to Ferris wheel and then to one more spot. These names confuse me a lot. Let's take on the vibe, click a few photos over here and then we'll head to the Ferris wheel. Oh! totally worth it. Wait kora. So now we are heading towards the Ferris wheel. It has been quite some time I got on this. Last time, if I remember, I was in Patna in India. So this is the next time. And finally it's in Budapest. One more thing that's right now on my bucket is London Eye, which I plan to do it sometime. Let's see if next year I get the chance to do it or not. It looks beautiful. Let me just focus a bit. Yeah, let's see you over there. We are going up. Oh my god. This looks beautiful. I wish there was little amount of daylight. There is a chain bridge over there. We plan to go over there tomorrow. You really can't see much right now. I can show you something from here. Focus. Yep. We are this high right now. We are nearly at the top. I'm not quite sure. No, we aren't. But yeah, it's beautiful. Let this start. I guess they're filling guys up now. Let this start. Right now we are at the very top. Oh my god. Now we are going down. হ্যাঁ বেশি উঁচু না So this is really looking amazing, and the snow you can see in my background, it's amazing to the whole experience. So it's looking very good and we are enjoying a lot. We haven't expected it to be this good. Yep. Finally the day is ending on a good note. It was a quite tiring day for us, but yeah, it's ending on a good note for us. So right now we are in Vörösmarty Tar. This is kind of a square. It's all set up for the Christmas. It's looking beautiful. welcome to Vörösmarty for Christmas. It's still snowing and my hand is completely frozen. So yeah, let's take a few shots if I can over here. But else, this should be end for the day. If I don't see you once again, this is it for this video. Tomorrow is going to be a lot of fun. We have a lot of points to cover. And yeah, see you in the next video. Till then, Kaushik signing off. Ciao. See you in the next video. Bye bye.